Renewable energy is booming. 3 times more offshore wind power stations could be built if production could catch up to meet the demand. Decreasing production costs boost wind power even more. In the time and money competition, manufacturers can not only optimize their wind power stations, but their production processes as well. In doing that, they already use digital factory tools during the planning stage. That's exactly what the Icarus company in Winsen, Germany is doing. The Siemens PLM software Tecnomatix digital factory solutions accurately map future or already existing manufacturing sites in a digital environment.
Today,
the digital factory lets us illustrate manufacturing concepts in all their complexity in a digital image at a very early phase. This includes the entire process range, from concept stage, based on the first ideas, up to the completed site implementation. With the simulation, we're also able to develop the respective robot programs offline, and that later accelerates site startup. That is the real benefit. Above all, these sites get to work right away. We can secure functionality in detail with the Tecnomatix digital factory.
Long before the actual manufacturing start, the customer knows what quantities he is handling, what cycle times he can expect, and what optimizing potential still exists at a manufacturing site.
In order to reduce cycle times, our team makes on-site records, analyzes the existing process, and then illustrates it in detail in the digital factory program. This already detects many weak points of current production processes. Due to the combination of avoiding unnecessary trial runs and slightly adjusting speeds, we can define cycle time in advance, precisely as targeted.
Instead of laboriously prepared and buggy spreadsheet calculations, the Siemens Tecnomatix solution used here offers precisely visualized and on any time traceable virtual production worlds that allow immediate identification of any possible planning flaws.
The previous planning methods used, like spreadsheets for instance, only comprise mere figures, but contain neither parts geometry, nor process information, nor the times. I bring together all information with the digital factory, and that puts me in a position to observe and evaluate the complete, complex process.
Today, robots characterize modern manufacturing lines, but they are only as good as their programming. In the past, when new robot programs were being run in, the line or even the whole site had to often stand idle for weeks. The Tecnomatix solution offers completely new possibilities.
We can develop programs detached from production and ensure very high quality. In addition to that, we're not only able to run in these robot programs within just a few days, but also test and optimize them. When we look at previous comparative figures, the optimizations needed 3 to 4 months to ensure that products were in fact produced with the required quality. Those days are now over.
Rotor blades are one of the most pivotal parts of the entire wind power station. These parts can be up to 80 meters long and have to be manufactured very carefully because their surface quality significantly determines the wind power station efficiency. Especially here, manufacturers aim for higher surface qualities and further efficiency improvements that are only achievable by permanently optimizing production.
Improving efficiency is very easy with the digital factory, because we're able to implement even the smallest modification to the robot programs detached from production. And we can activate them in ongoing production as well. You wouldn't be able to do that otherwise. If you had to stop the production for every single optimization, you would definitely lose a lot of valuable production time.
Eco-friendly power engineering is only competitive if it is cost-efficient and offers high quality. Due to the Tecnomatix solution for the digital factory, this goal just got a whole lot closer to becoming reality.